In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the issue of Spotify Wrapped not showing. If you're having trouble with Spotify Wrapped not showing your 2023 stats, don't worry. This can be frustrating, but there are a few simple steps you can take to try to fix it. To get started, open up the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, and then search for Spotify. And then, make sure you are using the latest version of the Spotify app. If this button says Update instead of Open, then you need to update your app. Once you've updated your Spotify app, check if it has solved your issue. If it didn't work, then let's move on to the next solution. Exit the App Store and open up the Settings app on your device. After that, scroll down a bit and tap General. And then tap iPhone Storage. What you want to do next is scroll down and find the Spotify app. Tap on it. All you need to do next is offload the Spotify app and then reinstall it on your device. This will fix any bugs or glitches preventing the Spotify Wrapped from being shown. After that, restart your device, and hopefully that will fix your issue. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.